In every school, there's one kid who's an outcast. No, not Merton. I mean a serious outcast, like Terri Bagwell. If students were countries, she'd be Iraq. Well, actually, she was America. You see, we were doing a model United Nations today. I didn't know they named a country after Michael Jordan. Cool flag. Huh? Yeah.
That's the Kingdom of Jordan, Tommy. A constitutional monarchy in the Middle East.
We're gonna bomb you back to the Stone Age, dingle.
You're Costa Rica. You haven't had a standing army since 1975. So.
Does anyone want to team up with me?
Look, everyone. Scary Terri needs a partner.
I'm the United States.
We wouldn't team up with you if you were the most powerful nation on Earth.
Well, I am the most powerful nation on Earth.
Whatever.
I don't be Costa Rica no more. We're switching Scary Terri. You're Costa Rica. USA. 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 USA.
I wasn't sure if Stacey was still seeing that college guy or not, but there was this dance coming up, and I really wanted to go with her. Hey, what's up? So, how are things with you and Ernie?
Eric. He had to go back to college yesterday.
Oh, that's too bad.
Yeah.
So is it over with you guys?
I don't think so. We're gonna try and do the long distance thing.
Oh, that's cool.
But we can still hang out, right? I mean, we're still friends, aren't we?
Of course. Hey, listen, do you want to go to the Stephen Hawking dance on Friday night?
It's the Sadie Hawkins dance, Tommy. And the girls are supposed to ask the guys.
Oh, yeah, right.
Tommy, I don't know if it's such a good idea if we go to the dance together.
It's just a dance. What, do you have to check in with college boy? You're probably right. But, hey, let me know if you change your mind.
Okay. See ya.
Scary Terri, you dropped your books.
Hey!
USA 2, Scary Terri, 0. USA! 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 USA!
Can Scott O'Donnell be any cuter when he gets his lunch? Hello, could you be any more obvious? I thought he was going out with Heather Stockton. I heard they broke up. Oh, quick, change seats. He's coming this way. Oh, no, my brother. Oh, please don't see me. Please don't see me. Thank you.
Hey there, teeny boppers. What's shaking?
My belief in a higher power. Excuse me, is this seat taken?
Yes?
Why do you guys have to be such jerks, huh?
Whatever, Dawkins.
Here, Terri, you can sit next to me.
Thank you, Tommy.
Take it back.
Hey, yesterday.
Hey, Becky.
Hi, Scott.
So, Mr. Watson's math class is, totally lame, huh?
Yeah.
Do you think maybe we could go out sometime?
Okay.
Cool.
Cool.
See ya.
See ya. He is so cool.
Well, but isn't Scary Terri? You know about the new park tax, right?
Well, what? Park tax?
Explain it to her, Tim. You have to give us $1 or some other valuables to pass through the park.
I don't have $1.
Oh, well, we'll just take your unicycle, then.
It's a bicycle. It has 2 wheels.
Not anymore.
Give that back to me.
Okay, now.
I'm warning you.
Oh, warning us. What are you gonna do? It's the wolf, man. Get him, Travis. Okay, pick apart next, buddy. This isn't over, Wolfman. See you at home, Travis.
Tommy?
Listen, Terry. This isn't what it looks like. I'm having an allergic reaction to some bad shellfish.
It's okay. Your secret's safe with me.
What?
I won't tell if you won't tell.
Won't tell what?
I can do this.
What are you doing?
What does it look like, jerk?
It looks like you're using my black marker that I used to highlight my ancient text with as a makeup pencil.
It is a makeup pencil. You stole it from me. And for your information, I've a date at the factory tonight.
All right, sister, who is he?
Scott O'Donnell?
What do his parents do? Does he have good grades? Does he have a tattoo?
You're blinding me, freaker.
Sorry. The package said soft glow bulbs. So, has this Scott ever done any time in the big house, the hoose gal, the lock up, the joint, you know, jail?
He's 15.
My sweet little sister has her first date. Her first date! Seems like only yesterday you were in the high chair. Then, of course, things took a dark turn and you began calling me freaker. Still, I can't help being moved by this watershed moment. Hug. Okay. Self-hug.
Merton, makeup practice is over. Come here. I was just at the park with Terry Bagwell. She just sent a trash can flying just by looking at it.
She's telekinetic?
I don't know if she looks good on TV.
Not telegenic, telekinetic. You know, the power to move objects with one's mind?
Oh, yeah, that's what I just said. Listen, I gotta meet her in the factory. You gotta come with me.
I can't go to the factory. Becky's got her first date, and if she sees me, she'll think I'm spying. I'll get the binoculars.
Oh, good job. Got a 7. Make that a 10.
Did you just see that?
Yeah, that little tyke's using a James Vander Beekish facade to mask his Brian Austin Greenish intentions.
Would you stop worrying about Becky? I'm pulling with a whatever misfit who knows I'm a werewolf.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I'll start paying attention. All right, Buster, keep him where I can see him.
This is so much fun. I can't believe we're hanging out together, Tommy.
Why not?
Well, you're so popular. I'm just scary, Terry. Aren't you afraid people will think you're crazy?
No one's gonna think I'm crazy.
I told you Dawkins was crazy.
We should go out again sometime.
Sure.
How about Friday to the Sadie Hawkins dance? See, we make a great team.
I don't know.
You're not going with anyone else, are you?
No.
So what do you say? Never been to a dance before.
Sure. I'd love to go with you. Yeah. Hey, Dean. You have a sec?
I'm trying to start a letter writing campaign to get Walker, Texas Ranger, back on the air.
Dean, it's still on the air.
Yeah, but there's gonna come a day when they'll try and take it away from me, and I will be ready.
I need your advice. I agreed to take this girl out I don't really like just because I felt bad for her.
Oh, sympathy date, huh? Bad move, bro.
You think so?
Absolutely. Remember what happened when Chachi asked Jenny Piccolo to go to the sock hop?
No, actually, I don't.
Joni almost never forgave him. If it hadn't been for the kindly intervention of the Fawns, things would have gone horribly, horribly wrong.
Joni and Chachi would have broken up?
Worse, there might have been no spin-off series.
Whoa.
Scott O'Donnell?
Yeah?
We'd like to ask you a few questions.
Me?
Don't get cute with me, pretty boy. And you better not get too cute with Becky either, or you'll face the wrath of Merton, which is kind of like the wrath of Khan, only more wrathful.
Who are you?
Cute kid. Oh, no one special, you know. Just Becky's big brother, Merton!
Brother?
Yeah.
But Becky told me she was an only child.
I am an only child. The only human child. Burton, how many times have I told you, stay out of my life?
I'm trying to... Hey, what do you know about this O'Donnell kid?
Pretty good little receiver.
No, that's not what I mean. Why do I even bother? Becky hates me now.
Now? I thought she's always hated you.
I used to be able to make her smile when she felt sad. I do this little character, Mr. Crazy Pants. Hey, kids! Look who it is! Oh, my pants are out of control! Not here, please! Not here! People are gonna see you. Who cares? My own sister's ashamed of me. At least I've still got you.
Great class, huh? I used to hate social studies, but I like it now that I have you to pass notes to.
Thanks. I'll just put it in my bag with the rest of them. Hey, listen, Terry. I need to talk to you about this Sadie Hawkins dance.
Oh, thanks for reminding me. I got you a boutonniere.
Oh, you didn't have to. Sharp pin.
So, what did you want to tell me about the Sadie Hawkins dance?
Dress warmly. Get cold.
You were so sweet.
Tommy, glad I caught you.
Oh, hey, Stace, how's it going?
Good. Listen, I was thinking, maybe it's not such a bad idea if we go to the dance together, you and me. You know, as friends.
I'd like to go with you, but I can't. I'm going with Terry Bagwell.
Oh, I didn't know you liked Terry.
No, I don't like Terry. She asked me to go to the dance, and I feel sorry for her.
You feel sorry for me. I feel sorry for you.
Hey, I'll go get us some sodas, okay?
Oh my God, you're so in! I know. My only problem is Dr. Godorkin over there. Hi, Tommy.
Hey.
Cute. Where's your date?
Looks like she stood me up. Where's yours?
I didn't ask anybody.
Want to dance?
Sure.
Hey, dance tax. Come on, pay your dance tax right here. Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Scary Terry, where's your date? Or did you ask the Wolfman? Hey, good one,
Uh-oh, Becky. Looks like Scott and Heather got back together. No, he's just being nice to her. I mean, that's what Dr. Drew said on Loveline. It's post-dump courtesy. Does Dr. Drew have anything to say about that? Oh!
Sorry, loser.
We can
can come out, Merton. I know you're there.
How'd you know it was me?
Your chains were clanking.
I knew I shouldn't have worn the amulet of Randor. I only brought it to ward off nausea in case the DJ played too much Celine Dion.
I can't believe I liked that jerk. I feel so stupid.
Hey, do you want me to go beat this Scott O'Donnell guy up right now? Good. Because O'Donnell is an Irish name, and the Irish are known to be scrappers.
I wasted my first date on that loser.
Don't. You can't let every jerk with peach fuzz and baggy jeans make you feel bad. You're Becky Dingle. You're the most beautiful and special girl in the world. And if you don't believe me, ask Mr. Crazy Pants.
I don't want to ask Mr. Crazy Pants.
But he wants to talk to you. Uh-oh! Look at my pants! They're so crazy! There's that smile.
Merton, I'm glad you're my big brother. Even if you are a freaker.
Yeah, you can't always plan on the good things in life. Of course, you can't really plan on the bad things either.
Oh, Terry's over there. Maybe you should go and talk to her.
Now, what's the rush? I'll catch up with her later. On second thought, maybe I should go check in with her.
Okay.
Whoa. Terry, calm down. Calm down. Terry, what's gotten into you? Ouch!
I heard what you told Stacey.
Look, let's talk about this rash without anger and the use of superhuman telekinetic powers. All right, if you won't listen to reason.
Oh.
Oh, I'm sorry, are you okay? Take that as a yes. First of all, I'm sorry you heard what I said to Stacey. But I was talking out of frustration, okay? Look, Stacey's sort of my girlfriend. And, you know, I was bummed when she didn't ask me out. It wasn't about you. Oh. Don't cry.
I'm such a loser.
No, you're not. Everybody just thinks you are. What I mean is, who cares what people at this school think?
It's easy for you to say. You're popular. You don't know what it feels like to be a freak.
Excuse me. I don't know if you've noticed, but I'm a werewolf. Look, I didn't mean to lead you on, but if it's any consolation, I don't feel sorry for you. In fact, I don't feel much of anything. My whole body kind of went numb when you threw me against that wall.
You know, all I ever wanted was to go to a high school dance and feel like a normal kid for once.
You're not normal. You're better than that.
You were my boutonniere.
Yeah, well, I'm your date, aren't I? In fact, I believe you still owe me a dance. May I? Music?
Oh.
It didn't take Terry long to prove how special she really was. She won a few local tournaments and dropped out of school to join the pro bowling tour. She's currently the top money winner on the circuit. And as for Merton and Becky, I think her first dating experience brought them closer together.
Okay, could you, like, not walk on the same side of the hall as me?
She loves me.